proud to be a Bakunanay. Happy anniversary, Team Bakunanay!
Happy anniversary, Team Bakunanay! Dahil sa Bakunanay, nalalaman ko ang mga bakuna na dapat para kay Baby Troy.
Buti na lang member ako ng Team Bakunanay. Updated kami sa vaccine ni Baby Cody at sa boosters ni Ate Katie. Happy anniversary!
Sabi nila nakakasama daw kay baby sa loob ang bakuna. Pero dahil sa Team Bakunanay at DOH, nalaman ko na safe siya at naipapasa ko pa ang protective antibodies kay baby. Napoprotektahan ka na si baby at syempre pati na rin ang sarili ko. Happy anniversary, Team Bakunanays!
And we are proud to be Bakunanay.
Ako, si Janina Maala, and I am proud to be a Bakunanay.
Happy anniversary, Team Bakunanay!
Happy anniversary, Team Bakunanay from Princess Velasco! More power sa ating mga Bakunanay!
Happy anniversary po sa ating mga Bakunanay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong niyo na binibigay niyo po sa amin dito sa Department of Health at na nag-benefit po sa lahat ng mga batang Pilipino. Ang inyong advocacy po ay nagsiserve as inspiration for us to do our jobs better and hopefully in the coming years talagang mapapa-stabilize na natin yung vaccination coverage for childhood immunization sa Pilipinas sa tulong po ng very strong advocacy ng ating mga Bakunanay. All the best and more power sa mga susunod na taon po.
Isa pong happy anniversary sa lahat ng mga mommies na may advocacy na magpabakuna sa kanilang mga anak. Ngayon pong panahon ng pandemya ay we're very happy that we have the support of the Bakunanays to actually emphasize the role of vaccines sa mga chikiting natin, no, sa mga anak natin. This of course is in the goal of building healthy families, healthy communities, and eventually a healthy Pilipinas. So sa lahat po ng ating mga beautiful mommies na kasama sa Bakunanay at syempre yung mga taray rin natin, mga daddies rin natin na kasangga ng ating mga mommies ay isa pong happy anniversary at sana po ay magtuloy-tuloy ang ating advokasya at ang ating partnership tungo sa isang healthy Pilipinas. So maraming salamat po and happy anniversary!
Happy first year anniversary, Team Bakunanay. I'm so proud of the community that you've built, community of moms and of health advocates, and working very closely with our health experts as well. The work that you do is very important, fighting the infodemic in the midst of a pandemic. More people need to know how to decipher information that could be considered misinformation or disinformation from information that is data-driven and based on science. So this advocacy that you're doing is very important, and I congratulate you for all the milestones that you've achieved only in the first year since you organized the community. Of course, we know that without the Asian Parent, the organization that's supporting the community, we won't be able to achieve all these milestones. The Asian Parent team has been creative, collaborative, and very efficient, and of course, agile. So I celebrate these values of the Asian Parent team, and I thank them every single time we get to meet for really pushing for the milestones that we want to be able to achieve throughout the season. So yes, congratulations for all the wins and happy anniversary.
Happy first anniversary, Team Bakunanay. Thank you for your contribution in increasing the vaccine confidence in the country. Please continue sharing positive thoughts about immunization. Let's fight misinformation and disinformation. And together, let's build healthier Philippines. Again, happy first anniversary and congratulations, Team Bakunanay.
Happy anniversary, Bakunanay! Nakakatuwa isipin na 1 year ago, Team Bakunanay started as a dream. We wanted to create a safe space online for moms to talk about vaccine. Today, our page is 8,500 members strong and still counting. Slowly, we continue to fight misinformation and spread real facts about vaccine with other moms. You may not know this, but every member of Team Bakunanay has played a vital role in helping our community and our nation fight not only COVID-19 but as well as vaccine-related diseases. Together, let's continue to raise healthy and happy Filipino families. Happy anniversary to all!